I'm just waiting here guys, like 30 to 40 minutes daw gagawin yung change oil ko. So dito na lang maghihintay sa loob mismo ng establishment.
A few inches later.
Guys, nakauwi na ako and finally guys, nakapag oil change na ako guys ng sasakyan, and this is my first time guys na ipa-service sa sasakyan. And sobrang mura niya guys kasi ini-expect ko guys mga 150 to 200 bucks ko magagasto sa pagpapa-oil change, pero mura lang din pala siya, and ang daming chinek sa sasakyan ko para at least make sure na maayos yung sasakyan bago nila ibigay ulit sa akin yung sasakyan. So ito guys, so may karoon ako ng oil change, yung oil filter, washer fluid filled, engine filter service, cabin filter service, battery tested, coolant tested, all tires set the pressure, front tires depth, rear tires depth, brake pads okay, all lights working, no leak found, no fault found. So I'm so happy guys na na-check nila mismo yung sasakyan ko, at least kampante ako na kahit mag-drive ako okay yung sasakyan ko guys. And ang nagastos ko lang